Hello duckies, Andy here, and I am super excited to give you a sneak peek of a tool that we are currently working on at StreamUP for your entertainment, viewing pleasure. I don't know, it's just going to save your life. So Silverlink has been working on this. Right, so you know how I made the StreamUP OBS plugin that basically manages all of your plugins so you can check for updates and everything like that? Silver has taken our plugin installer to the next level. So the thing that used to use a batch script and download all of the plugins available and everything like that, we have given it a facelift. Silver has done an incredible job. All we gotta do is open the exe, I just struggled to say that, and we get this new StreamUP Plugin Installer V2. And this obviously is an early build, so it is subject to change. I'm just giving you a sneak peek. So we can choose all of the plugins that are in our database. So these are all the ones that are compatible with the StreamUP OBS plugin to check if they need an update and everything like that. You can select our recommended plugins, suggested plugins, all the plugins if you want to. There's 77 plugins currently in the list, or you can press custom and select whichever plugins that you'd like to download. So I'll say we'll go for these 3 plugins, for instance, and we can then choose if we want to automatically unzip. So I'll leave it as just off for now and just show you what it looks like. You can open the browser URLs. I'll just go and you can choose a folder. I'll press download plugins, and that'll start downloading them. And then when we go to the folder, we'll have a little downloads folder, and look at that. They are all in there. All the zip files that you would get from the OBS forums or the relevant GitHub pages. All these links are managed by me manually. So I'm in charge of checking if there are new updates, new plugins, everything like that. I go and check manually every single day just for you guys to have a good time. And this is a free plugin. The StreamUP OBS plugin is free, and this one is going to be free as well. We can also do automatically unzip, which is pretty cool, or press unzip current files. So if I press unzip current files, that is actually going to go and sort this downloads folder out and put it into an OBS-studio folder, which you can either go into and copy these, or you can just, if you're feeling confident and you're happy with it, you can just copy the OBS studio folder here. So press copy, and then you go and paste it to wherever your OBS folder is. So it's usually in C drive, program files, and you just paste it directly into there, and it'll say, do you want to replace if you're updating the plugins? And you just press yes, give it all the admin privileges, and done. And obviously some plugins do have an exe, so you can run that separately as well. On top of that, we can actually open URLs. So if I just press only open URLs, and I'll select just the 3D effect for now, press open URLs. Are you sure you want to go and open it in your default browser? Yeah, I do. It's just pulled it onto the other screen, and it automatically opens it up like so for you to go to the plugin page, which you'll be able to check if what's been updated and everything like that. So it's a super powerful plugin, and I can't wait for everybody to get their hands on it. Make sure you are subscribed, because I'll be doing a proper in-depth video when it does come out. And make sure you go and subscribe to the StreamUP YouTube channel, because we're starting to put some videos on there very soon with tutorials on how our products work and everything like that. If this video, you liked it, press that like button. Let me know what you think in the comments, and go and stop by Silver's stream and say thank you, because he's done an incredible job. All right, put your rock over the stone. I'll see you in the next one.